breadboard activity, we will see how to rotate a fan using this DC motor. So it's very simple. Just first take the battery here, or else you can just take this DC motor, black wire here somewhere and red here, and then just insert this fan here. Okay, so the motor is ready now. Now we'll power it. The red wire below this red wire, and the black one below the black wire. Now both the wires are connected, and then we can see the fan rotating. Just be careful while doing this.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future video from STEM Sun Q.